The signature feature is this intraglandular cleft, isn't it? I told you. Can you see the cleft here? This space. This side looks glandular. Let's go to higher magnification. And let's see by yourself. Fantastic. This is highly glandular. At least 5 or 6 different cells, secreting different hormones, anterior pituitary hormones, are released by this endocrine gland, anterior pituitary. Look at the posterior pituitary. This is posterior pituitary. It doesn't look glandular. It does have glial cells here, and these are axons of neurons located in hypothalamus, and this is neurohypophysis or posterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary or adenohypophysis or pars anterior, intraglandular cleft, pars intermedia. This is pars intermedia. We don't know what it does. It does definitely something we don't know yet. And this is the posterior pituitary that stores and releases 2 hypothalamic hormones. And those 2 hypothalamic hormones are ADH and oxytocin. Okay? I will give you detailed information next class. But it will be sufficient for you to identify anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary with the help of intraglandular cleft. Can you see that cleft? And pars intermedia is more closely associated with posterior pituitary than to anterior pituitary. Yeah? Okay? Let me go back to lower magnification and show you other feature of pituitary gland, and that is the stalk-like structure, infundibulum. Look at the infundibulum. Let me get a model from behind. Come here. This is the pituitary gland. This is the brain, human brain, and the location of pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is situated in the sphenoid bone in a region called hypophyseal fossa. Of which part of sphenoid? Sella turcica. You remember? Sella turcica? Yeah. This is the infundibulum, the stalk-like structure. This is the stalk, this one, from here to here. So, if I ask you this question, just what should be present here? Hypothalamus. Because this infundibulum attaches pituitary to the hypothalamus. Look at this chart. Infundibulum, hypothalamus. This is the pituitary. This is anterior pituitary. This is posterior pituitary. Okay? Kapesh?
Capiche.
Now, another slide of pituitary gland, and this is a specially prepared slide, and you will be happy to see this. Will you be happy? Who knows? The unmistakable intraglandular cleft. Can you see that? This portion, this is glandular, anterior pituitary. This is nervous, posterior pituitary. And what is this? Pars intermedia. Pars intermedia. Okay? If I ask you what is the function of this structure, secretes hormones. Anterior pituitary hormones, because this is anterior pituitary. What is the function of this? Is torsion releases ADH and OT. ADH is very good antidiuretic hormone, and OT is oxytocin. Okay? You will learn about ADH and oxytocin. Definitely in 2 more classes we will be finishing everything. All those chapters. Okay, we have to be very speedy. Okay, we'll increase our speed. So this is done.
God bless you. Thanks.
Now I am going to show you another gland, and